carpet fresher odor eliminator that I was telling you about. I'm going to open it up. And we are going to smell this and see what this smells like. I smell it right now. It smells really good, you guys. It has a really pleasant scent. As you see, I have my vacuum cleaner here. This is the area where I'm going to be vacuuming. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and let's see what it looks like in the inside. Just like some white granulars. But the smell is really, really good. So I'm going to walk over there and I'm going to sprinkle it. And then we have to wait our 30 minutes and see what happens. Let me make sure. No, it says we can leave it on for 5 minutes. So sprinkling it now and we're gonna go see. Alright, put it down. We're going to wait our 5 minutes. And while we wait for that, let's go ahead and go do our drain. Guys, you're about to open this up. It says to use 1 tablet each time you want to put it in your drain. And it says to do it 2 times a week. So let's open this up. One tablet. This is how big the tablets are. See how big that tablet is? And you're supposed to put it in there. Put a cup of warm water. And we're just going to wait 30 minutes. Alright, I'll come back when it's 30 minutes. But let's go and vacuum the living room. It's because our 5 minutes are up. Okay, let's vacuum this floor and see what happens. Alright, now let's sit down and talk about this product. You guys, I had to sit down because we really need to talk about this product right here. This luxury, now it says luxury carpet freshener odor eliminator. Packaging looks fantastic. It draws you in order to purchase because it's sleek, it's black, it's got white lettering, and you're like, ooh, that's what got my attention. And I was like, ooh, what is this? So I walked over there and I said, ooh, it's a carpet freshener. Everybody wants a carpet freshener in their house because they want to have that fabulous scent You know, it just makes your house smells good. It makes you, put you in a happy mood. And then the fragrance is Island Breeze. When I saw this package, I just homed in on carpet freshener. I didn't even look to see what scent it was. So now we know it's an Island Breeze. So we're thinking tropical. You know, a nice breeze just flowing through your house and making you feel like you sitting on an island with your little foo-foo drink. Just the fragrance is just gonna be just like you're at the beach, right? Ciao. Let's get this, pop that bubble. Let me tell you the real deal about this product. This product first, when I opened it, beautiful scent. I was like, oh, okay, y'all saw me smell this product and I gave it such a big review. So y'all saw me sprinkling it all over my carpet, put a whole lot of this on that carpet because it said it only takes 5 minutes. And then I came back. You saw me vacuuming that living room. And as I was vacuuming, I didn't smell anything. Not as strong as when I first opened up this package. So I'm just letting you guys know that if you see this product in the DT, run. Don't waste your money. Don't spend your $1.25 on this product. I'm going to go see the next time I'm in there if there is another product, same product, and if there's different scents. And then I may, and I'm telling you, I may purchase another one that has a different scent and bring it home and try it. And if it is a good scent, then I'll come back and I'll tell you, throw this one in the trash. Island Breeze, remember, throw that one in the trash. And then if I find a better one, I'll come back and I'll say, this is the one you need to get. Because I love, like I said before, I love a fresh smelling carpet. I love to just have a scent that just permeates the area because it just puts you in such a good mood. So with that being said, this on a scale from 1 to 10, it gets a 2 only because of the scent that it had when I first opened it. That's the only reason. If I would have opened this bag and it didn't have a scent, this thing would have got a 0, a big goose egg. But it had a scent, so I'm giving it a 2. And I'm being nice, giving it a 2. So, I just want to let you guys know about this product. Let me know in the comments if you guys have purchased this, and if you have, let me know what your thoughts are on this particular product, okay? All right, now let's get on with the review of the Sink Deodorizer. It's coming up next. Let's check and see. So I put the 1 cup of warm water in here. It's been sitting for 30 minutes. I'm going to lift this up and see if I can see the tablet. I see the tablet still in there. So let's cut this garbage disposal on and let's see what happens. Are you ready? It's going to be a little noisy, so I'll cut it on real quick. Cut it on real quick, and let's let the water go down, and let's see. Nope, not a smell coming from that either. So maybe it says you have to use it for 2 times a week. So we're using it on Sunday. So I'm going to put it down there again on Wednesday. And I'll come back and with another video and let you guys know how this one did. But so far, this drain freshener tablet, this way may be an epic fail too. Because for my rating from 1 to 10, this gets a 0 because I don't smell anything. Not even a scent. Let me smell this tablet and see if I can smell anything through this package. Nope, tablet doesn't have any kind of fragrance or anything. So, alright guys, if you see these, I would say Do not purchase these either. This is not a tablet that is going to give you any kind of freshness in your drain. Alright guys, I think we're at a 2 out of 2, meaning thumbs down on the air freshener for the carpet and thumbs down on this drain freshener tablet. Let me give you a close look so you'll know exactly what to look for and not to purchase. Alright guys, well, this is my product review and testing out this product. So if I see anything else new in DT, you know your girl gonna purchase it. You know I'm gonna test it out, and I'm gonna come back and tell you the 411 for sure. Because I would rather have somebody buy products and tell me the truth, and then I don't go in the store and buy this and I'm like, hey, this is not what it was supposed to do. I'm sure glad that somebody reviewed this product and saved me $1.25. And child, let me tell you, $1.25 adds up real quick. Look at this. I spent $2.50 on 2 products and neither one of them did what they said they were supposed to do. So now I could have spent that $2.50 on something else, which I will on another couple of products the next time I go into the Dollar Tree. For sure, you guys. Alright, let me know if you tried this product as well. Put it down in the comments and let me know your thoughts on it too. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Woohoo! But you know what? To be honest with you, I really enjoy testing out products and stuff. Alright guys, take care.